Begin by opening the hatch and removing the trim and carpet from the area around the rear corners. If you need additional assistance with those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. The rear taillight bulbs are accessed by removing the panel on the taillight assembly. Use your hands and unscrew the plastic knob. With the plastic knob removed, you can pull the panel off the back of the assembly. The bulbs are actually in the panel. You can change the bulbs out with the panel in the vehicle, or you can disconnect the panel so you can take it to your workbench to clean and work on it. To disconnect the panel, pull the main wiring connection apart, red arrow. Then separate the wiring that goes from the taillight to the rear turn signal indicator by pulling them apart, red arrow. The bulbs are simple push, turn, and pull, red arrow. Remember to clean the sockets with a little emery paper and do not touch the bulbs with your bare skin. To remove the assembly from the vehicle, you will need to remove the nuts holding it in place. There are 6 8mm nuts and washers on 6 studs built into the housing, red arrows. You will need to use an 8mm deep socket to fit over the long studs, red arrows. Push the assembly out from inside the rear of the hatch. You may need to use a trim removal tool to help pry the assembly away from the vehicle. You are going to use a trim removal tool. You may want to put some painter's tape around the area you are working on to protect the paint. Remove the housing and clean all of the old gasket and sealant off, red arrow. These housings are known to leak water into the hatch area, and people use all kinds of sealant to try and get them watertight. Make sure to remove all the old sealant from the body as well, red arrow. Once everything is clean, run a single bead of sealant around the area and reinstall the assembly. There is no need to over-tighten the nuts. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.